Luc Paquin. Photography, jewelry, steampunk, painting, prints, digital prints, etchings, engravings, drawing, illustration, sculpture, fiber arts, mixed media, tools, electronics, robotics, etc. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luc Paquin, 1973. Steampunk Earring, item hashtag 000007. Artist, Luc Paquin. Year, 2019, June. Art, jewelry steampunk art. Length, 2.5 inches, 65 millimeters. Width, 1 inches, 25 millimeters. Height, 0.5 inches, 10 millimeters. Media, earring hook ball coil, wire, gears, resistors, capacitor. A piece of steampunk earring custom unique handmade. The perfect statement earrings will add steampunk flair to any look with unique handcrafted designer. 100% steampunk earring custom unique handmade. This item comes in a NeoSteamLabs box. Ready to ship within 1 to 2 weeks.
This earring for Steampunk Earring is 2 or 3 years. The jewelry before bracelet or pendants and this, yes, it is 45 years, so yes. And before, and good. And now 2 or 3 years jewelry, I think yes. So this Steampunk Earring won the first now is Steampunk, so wheels, the gear here, and wire here, 2 caps here and tips here, and 2 here and 2 here, resistor. So simple. And me, before wire and this and this, the electronics, so this is perfect box for the caps and resistors, so good. And here the wire and here jewelry here and here is good. And me, the Steampunk Earring. Bye bye.
Luc Paquin Art. Curriculum vitae. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. Zoom.